Hey, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be vlogging my first 2 days of classes. So today is going to be my first day of classes, and then we'll also vlog tomorrow. And yeah, also I'm going to be getting ready right now, so I'm going to show you that as well. So today I've got 30 minutes until I want to start heading out, and then my first class actually starts in an hour. I have a really weird schedule. So somehow I have one class today and then I have 4 classes tomorrow. I don't know how that happened because I definitely thought I only had 4 classes, and my original schedule, I'm pretty sure, said there was 2 on one day, 2 on the other. So no idea how that happened, but that's what it is. So today I literally only go to 1 class and it's like an hour 15 minutes. So okay, first I gotta fix my hair. I was gonna take a shower today, but then I realized I haven't been to the beach at all since I got here, so today's the perfect day to do that, and then I'll shower afterwards. I don't know, it makes sense. So I'll just pin part of my hair back or something, and then I gotta change my outfit. I thought this would work, but I don't like it, so okay, so again, I only have 1 class today and it's going to be editing. I couldn't find a syllabus or any announcements or anything tell me what I needed. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to keep in my bag. But I got a few things. So I guess I'll keep a notebook and my planner. I need pencils. Probably at least a pen, and a highlighter, a notepad. I'll bring my computer. Actually, it's probably gonna be in a computer lab. I'll bring it anyways. That's all I got. I really don't know. I'm gonna shove everything in here. And this is one of my older ones, but it's still cute, right? I don't know. Didn't want to buy a new one. I guess I'm ready to go. Also, I have to take the bus there. It's maybe 2 miles away because I didn't realize that I actually wanted or would prefer to have an actual parking spot until recently, and I don't know how to get one, so that's fun. Anyways, let's go, I guess. Okay, so it's a while later, and I'm just gonna give you a little bit of an update on everything. So today was not great. I attempted to go to that single class that I had today and found out that the bus situation was kind of crazy. So somehow I ended up leaving later than expected, and then I have to walk a fairly long-ish distance to get to the bus stop. And then as I was getting there, the bus left, and then it comes in intervals, so I had to wait at least 10 minutes there. And then when you get on the bus, it waits a little bit too, and then drive to the place. And I realized I had no idea where anything was, which I thought I knew where this one was, which this one, the building wasn't hard to find, but I also realized that on my schedule it had room numbers in very tiny font, which I did not see originally, so I didn't know what the room number was, and I didn't know how to find it. Yeah, anyways, long story short, I ended up being late, super late, 30 minutes late, so I just didn't go in because I didn't want to interrupt. But I waited outside for 30-45 minutes and waited for it to get out, but I found a seat outside the hallway where the classroom was. There were 2 classes going on, maybe 20 minutes before the class was supposed to end. People started leaving, and I figured it was the other classroom because that's not when the class was supposed to end, so I don't even get to talk to anyone. That was really unfortunate. But afterwards I just walked around the campus a little bit and found out where the rest of my classes would be. So tomorrow I know exactly where I'm going, exactly where the rooms and buildings and everything are. Also, my first class tomorrow is at 9:30, which is earlier, which means I have to wake up earlier, and that's gonna suck because we love having sleep issues. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, but priority is getting out the door. Also, I mentioned I was gonna go to the beach today. That didn't happen. Anyways, I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay, I'm back for like 2 seconds. I have a small break in classes, so I'm going to take her out to go on a short walk, do her business, and then I need to make myself food and then get back really quick. I have like 15 minutes. Okay. Hi. So I just got back from day 2 of everything, and I don't know how much I filmed because it's kind of chaotic, but I tried, kind of. Anyways, I'll probably film this whole week so that maybe I can get like little bits and pieces of each day, and then y'all can piece it together and kind of figure out what my life is like now. I don't know, but I have something fun, I guess, right now. I got some packages. They're not fun packages at all, but unboxing things is fun. So this is a textbook. Okay, this is one of the books that I need for one of my classes. So yeah, textbook number 1. And then, I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's open it. Okay, so it's a mattress topper. I have one on right now, but it kind of sucks for me because I'm not a memory foam type of person. It doesn't work for me. So we have a pillow top one here, but my bed's a full size and this is a queen size, but that's what I got in the mail. So anyways. Okay, so I finished that single class that I had a while ago, and I got ready to go to what was supposed to be like a pool gathering thing, but then nothing was going on. Like, I don't know, someone mentioned there was a pool thing today, and I went and there was nothing. So I'm like ready to get in some water. So I figured I'd go to the beach today. Yeah, and then I also need to get groceries today, so instead of like making dinner, because I don't have a lot, I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A and then go to the beach and probably get groceries afterwards. So let's go to Chick-fil-A. And then Taya's coming with, also she hates the beach, but exposure therapy. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so I have 2 more packages to open, and then I guess I'll end this vlog. So these are more required things. They make us spend so much money. So I'll show you what I got. Okay, a little SD card for one of the classes. So yeah, I got that. And then I have this package, probably a textbook. Okay, this is fun. I got a hard drive with 250 gigabytes and it's already falling apart. Yeah, so I'll use that for one of my classes. And then afterwards it'll be perfect to use for just like my channel and everything to put extra things on. And then I got a book for my communication class, and it is one that I will return end of semester. So that's good because that one said it wasn't gonna come until like September or something. And then I think I have like one more package coming. Also, I didn't film the last day because honestly Tuesdays and Thursdays kill me because they're so long and early, so that's fun. And then this week, every week I technically have a 3-day weekend because there's no classes on Friday for me. But yeah, as soon as that next package comes in, I'll film that and then I'll be done with this video. Okay, so I just got my last package in the mail. So Here it is. It's from Thrift Books. I got most of my books from Amazon, but these ones, one of them was going to be super expensive. So I looked for all of them on Thrift Books and got them really cheap. Yeah, so let's open this. Okay, so this book I don't need anymore because I have it on Audible, but it's actually in really good condition and it was probably like $4, I think. And then this one, really glad to have. This one might have been like $8 or something, but new through Amazon or anywhere else would have been like at least 30, 40 or something, I don't know. I'm happy about it, and I already need to read like 5 chapters because it took forever to get here. So yeah, anyways, that's going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed my first week. Chaotic week of classes plus random unboxings and stuff. But yeah, maybe I'll do a more planned video that's a week in my life in classes and stuff or something soon. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can subscribe below, leave a like, comment, share this video, all of that. And stay tuned for my next video. I post twice a week, every Sunday and Thursday. So I'll see you next time. Bye.